Charlie, you're 9 months old. You haven't been talking, but you know how to turn around, don't you? Can you turn around? Turn around. Come on, don't be shy. Turn around. Turn. Come on. Turn. Oh, you're so stubborn. Can you turn, Charlie? Charlie, turn. Oh, what a good boy. Can you wave, Charlie? Oh, thank you. I love you. How about a whistle? Can you whistle? Who's a sexy boy? Come on. Whistle, Charlie. How about a turn around? Can you turn? Can you turn? Huh? Charlie want to turn? Can Charlie turn? Who's a pretty boy? I love you. Can I scratch your head, Charlie? Can I scratch your head? Yeah. Can I scratch your head? Yeah. Yeah. How about tickle your chin? Can I tickle your chin? Yeah, it's a pretty boy, aren't ya? Yeah, you like chin scratched, don't ya? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a pretty boy. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye. Wave. Come on. Come on. Oh, you want your head scratched again, don't ya? Yeah. Pretty boy.